What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1 G back here with another video, and today, so-called allegedly, got the Magic Dent man coming out here that can repair the side of my car and hopefully get it looking brand new. He should be pulling up here just a second, man. I can't go to car shows. I can't do anything without getting this dent out. And also, like I said before in previous videos, the Queen 2.0 is loading, but I gotta get this dent taken out first. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's go. Oh man. It look like it's moving a little bit, but
yeah, I mean, I'll make it look better, but it ain't gonna be right. You know what I mean? I just hate doing something and it not being perfect.
And not being perfect. I'm the same. I'm the same way, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
And I was telling Antoine somebody, he said, "Greg, just knock it out." I said, "Man, you see me pull so many miracles. I can't pull miracles on everything. It's just in a bad, flimsy area. You got a brace right here that goes in behind the fender."
Yeah, that's what me and my homie was saying. Like, it's a rod. It's like a little rod that goes right here.
Well, it's more than a rod. It's a little piece about that big. It's a brace that kind of wraps around. That's where it gets its strength from. And what I'm having to do is push in between it.
Mm-hmm. You can't really get to the fender for real.
And usually when you got an eyebrow like that right there, see, this light tells me everything I need. But when you got an eyebrow like that right there, you can tap it down. But the reason why I can't tap this one down, every time I tap it,
whole thing move.
No, it'll leave an indentation. Oh. You know what I mean? See how it's leaving when these titties pop up?
Boy said titties.
Yeah, see the little titties right there?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to see that. See, but on a regular car, on a regular finish, I can tap that shit back down and work that metal any way I want. But when you got this finish right here on it, I guess it's like the wrap or whatever it is, you know what I mean? It just leaves a spot in it, is what it does.
Well, of course.
Like I said, I can make it look better. What I do is I jack it out now. I won't charge it now for this, but what we need to do, it's not a big deal. Let's get a damn fender, even if we got to get a used one. And you don't have to get the whole car.
The only reason I ain't want to get a fender, bro, I'm gonna have to rewrap from here to here all the way to here. We put a new fender on it. That means I gotta get another one of these, another one of these, and this. That's gonna end up running like $2 grand.
Yeah. It ain't gonna be no $2 grand. Go through Jackson Printing, man. I just had them do stripes on a damn Mustang for me, on a damn 2018 Mustang.
That's what I'm trying to avoid at all costs, trying to get this whole fender rewrapped. Then the bumpers gotta get dropped down. Then
to be honest with you,
then that's when
really the fenders need to come off. His bumper cover needs to come off, cause you got damage in here.
Oh, I know it.
You know what I mean? And the headlight needs to come out. And you know, a lot of people, say, "Oh, we gotta put it on the frame machine." Yeah, that's what you tell the insurance company, but that ain't the deal. It just needs tweaking.
Yeah, it's a little.
You know what I mean? You gotta get shit bended. You just gotta bend it back and forth. Me and Green, we do it all day long like it's nothing. You know what I mean? You don't have to put it on the frame machine. We bend all these, especially these new cars, we bend it out with our hands.
All right.
But be honest with you, it needs to be broken down to the point where the fender's off, the headlights out, the bumper cover off. And believe it or not, that's not but about, don't take 2 hours to take all that off. It don't take long.
Probably take like 20 minutes. It's just a hassle.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
And normally what people do, they'll charge me for like 2 hours of labor to drop the fender down and drop the bumper down.
I can have his bumper cover off. I don't know, the first time it usually takes a while, but you usually get that bumper cover off in about 25 minutes. That fender's about 10 minutes.
My dude that painted my car the first time, he dropped all that down in like 10 minutes. He knew where to pop all these rivets and stuff out. He popped all of them off. It's like
Dude, you ain't got but 2 screws to hold up.
Yeah, he said it was like 2 screws on each side and it come down.
1 on each side actually, and the rest of them is shit like that. And little plastic caps.
Yeah, the little all these. Yeah, you pop all these off.
Let me see what I can do with this, but I gotta get this dent worked out. Then I gotta get this bow worked out. It's really a lot of unnecessary work. I know you're trying to save, but
I'm trying to. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
It's to the point like it really can't be saved. Because right here, where my problem is, you can see where they sanded on it before. There's Bondo back in there. So I could tell when I pushed on it, it wasn't doing nothing. I mean, I got a well tail. Here, I'll show you.
Yeah, that shit ain't going nowhere, cuz. That motherfucker ain't budging.
I get it to move, but the whole brace moves with it. I have to bend everything to get it to go.
That's not safe, is it?
I mean, once you get the dent out, you know, I could walk it back down, you know, but...
Man, it looks a little bit better, I ain't gonna lie to you. It looks a little bit better. That does look a little better. But it's just with that wrap, I see you saying it leaves them titties and shit on it. Now, if you're trying like to save the wrap as far as like you don't want to put a scratch on it, I'm really not tripping so bad about scratches. Cause I'm gonna paint over it. So I ain't tripping too bad about that.
Yeah, that ain't what I'm fighting though. What I'm fighting, so you got that brace that holds all this in behind this fender.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, like I said, me and Al looked at it.
And it's not releasing. You know what I mean? I'll tell you another thing too that we could do.
Talk to me. Somebody just cut the wrap off?
From right there. Body work it. With a regular body work, you know, putty and everything.
I thought about that too.
And just wrap the nose of it.
I thought about that as well. The only thing, like I told you, I ain't trying to have to get a whole new fender. When it's just this little spot here can be worked. And when I eventually took it to the body shop one time, I was like, bro, you can just cut. I told Adam, I said, bro, you can just cut right here. And then they said they didn't call you. But now just looking at it, boy, hey.
Now, everybody shop in town sees me pull off miracles, but there's certain things that...
Of course, with mine, it won't be.
I've been doing it long enough to know you're just fighting a losing battle, you know what I mean?
Of course, I can't get that miracle. Of course, I can't get that miracle. God don't, he don't work every other miracle, and then come to me, I can't get the miracle. Oh, shit. My boy said he can't work miracles, but he's kind of working one right here, guys. Check him out now. He's kind of working this shit now. You getting where you can't see it that well. Okay, my boy. Maybe I gotta hype you up, man. Gotta hype you up a little bit. Yeah, make that fender twerk, man. Make that fender twerk. Twerk it. He kind of got that motherfucker moving a little bit though. I ain't gonna count. He working a little something. Makes it look a lot better. I'm over here praying, guys. Y'all know I don't want to buy no fender. don't want to buy no Fender. I'm trying to save this shit at all costs. I want to save it. New Fender. Well, my boy done wrestled with this motherfucker for the longest. And it looks like this. But it ain't all the way right. And my boy not gonna let me roll out like that.
Alright, road dog.
Alright. That looks better though, man.
I'm gonna go hit his old lady up while he ain't at home.
Oh, shit. God damn, man.
That shit look a lot though.
A little better, but shit, it ain't right, bro. I can't goddamn get between 2.0 going until this shit, till all this shit correct, man. God damn.